Today I'm going to be showing y'all the secret to making the bounciest LA beats for artists like Drakeo the Ruler, Bravo the Bagchaser, One Take J, you know, those up-tempo bouncy beats with a lot of space in them. So first I'm gonna whip out Omnisphere, pause. We're gonna be using my new Omnisphere Bank Angels for this one. There's also a one-shot kit that goes along with it, so if you don't got Omnisphere, you can still have the sounds, and I also have them in different velocities. Everything that would have different velocities has different articulations to it, you know? Fuck with that. First, I'm gonna pull up a bell, so let's just change the tempo in the high 100s, you know, somewhere between 90 to just where it's fast, you know, because we're trying to make a fast beat. And we're gonna keep the melody really simple. No. We're gonna use that sound. That's the one I was looking for. That already sounds good. I was just playing that in the piano. I was just playing in the C minor scale, so it was just these notes. So I think C major, it's all white notes. You just bring down the A to the G sharp, and then bring down the E to D flat. So it's, I might have missed the B too. That's what I meant. Bring the B down unless you're playing a harmonic minor. I already played what I wanted in this song, so I'm just gonna go to tools, dump score log, last 2 minutes. And if you don't have like a MIDI keyboard like me, you could just click in the notes by ear. That's what I would recommend, and make sure you're listening to that. If it sounds good, it sounds good, you know what I mean? And all I would recommend if you're trying to do the melody by hand is just by hand, but just change the scale to any minor scale, minor, natural, alien. Pick any of these and you could just kind of click in the notes. Good rule of thumb is it's good to start on the root note, but you don't always have to. Just do what sounds good. And you could do a 4-note melody, just simple, like. Or you could do it faster. It sounds like an old Shoreline beat, like when they're on their like 3-6 Mafia stuff. Move that up. Control A to select all, and then just left click with your mouse. And then let's just repeat that melody real quick, and let's add some Rhodes. So this is actually D minor. And sometimes I like that weird sound when you use one shots because it like sounds stretched, if that makes sense. I'm gonna add some reverb on these Rhodes just to make it blend better. Maybe some delay too. I'm actually gonna reverse this melody too, so we're gonna do this. And then my favorite 808 to use on like those bouncy beats to make them sound more bouncy. It's like the less high end you have on your 808, the better. On LA beats, I like using the spins or like some Lex Luger 808s. If you're going for that bouncy sound where there's like not too much going on, you got to use the old school Roland TR-808. So I have this old Roland kit. There's a whole bass drum section. You kind of have to be on like speakers or headphones to hear this. And I usually like to boost it right here. Just put soft clip on the master. You just want to keep it simple. You don't want to go crazy with the 808s, like do all this shit. the bounce to it is doing less, so you just feel it, you know. And then maybe for this one we'll do just cut out the beginning a little bit. Or maybe I'll EQ it out. Let's try that. There's like a click sound. So you basically want to add in the 808s how you usually would. And then usually how you do that is like, if you're used to making trap beats, you go like that, you know, you're used to that pattern. But if you're making West Coast, it's halftime. So you squeeze it down to that. So the pattern would be more like this. Those are the beats you would kind of put it on. But in a trap beat, it's more like that, you know? And then you kind of just take out some to make it feel bouncy. For LA beats, I like using this perk too. And then let's add in the scratch. And then usually with your 808s, like I would change the notes, but I think I'm just gonna keep it like that for now. And then we're just gonna do the rest of the drums. Actually, we're gonna do some rolls for that. And for the rolls, I'm just doing triplet hi-hat rolls. I just set up a shortcut for that with the arpeggiator, you know. Otherwise, you would need to use Control U, change the magnet to 1/6 beat, 1/3, divisible by 3. And all I'm doing to change the velocities is Control and then right-clicking these. And then maybe let's add a roll or Alt-U. I'm gonna see how it sounds with the kick. Let's add a kick real quick. Another sound I like to use in these type of beats is a reverse cymbal. It's right here. It's called cymbal transition. You could probably find it in a lot of kits. And I changed the perk pattern. And then you could also add rim rolls, but I'm not gonna add any to the beat. But quick recap of the video. Basically keep your melodies simple, focus more on the processing of the melodies, and then also keep the drums like very simple and bouncy and have space. Not necessarily simple, but have space in the drums. All right guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you want to see next time. Make sure to hit like, comment, subscribe, and also be sure to go check out my Angels Omnisphere Bank and One Shot Kit.